Do you want to install software like games, social media apps, Steam, and others on a computer but don't have admin rights? If so, then you can watch this video tutorial to learn more. So first up, you can use a batch file. So all you have to do is just download the app you want to install, then drag the installer to your Documents folder, and after that, create a new folder for the installer and other related files. Then move the installer you downloaded into the new folder. Once created, create a text file in the new folder by right-clicking anywhere, click New, and click Text Document. Now you have to name your document, press Enter, open the document file, and type in the following into the text document. Now you have to make sure that the file name is exactly as you see it in the new folder. Now if you don't see a file extension at the end of the installer name, you can leave that part out of your batch file. So once you're done doing all of that, save the file as a .bat file, and double-click on the batch file to install the program. You just have to take note that this method will not work for all software, although it will work for Steam and a variety of other apps. Another method you can use is to go to the Microsoft Store. All you have to do is open the app, search for the program you want to download, click Get, and the program or game will begin to download. And those are the different ways on how to install Windows apps, even if you're not an administrator on that computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.